Hi, I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
I'm so excited to take you on a walking tour of one of the most beautiful beaches in Barcelona, Nova Icària Beach. As someone who loves to travel and explore new places, I can tell you that there's nothing quite like experiencing the sights, sounds, and smells of a new city. And Barcelona is definitely one of my favorite cities to visit. The vibrant culture, delicious food, and stunning architecture are all reasons why I keep coming back. But today, we're focusing on the beach. Nova Icària Beach is located in the eastern part of the city, and it's one of the quieter and more peaceful beaches in the area. It's the perfect place to unwind, soak up some sun, and relax. As we start our walk, you'll notice that the beach is surrounded by some incredible views. To the north, you can see the distinctive shape of the Torre Bar building. To the east, you'll see the impressive mountains that loom in the distance. And of course, the turquoise waters of the Mediterranean Sea are right in front of us. One of the things I love about Nova Icària Beach is how clean and well maintained it is. You won't find any litter or debris on the sand, and there are plenty of bins available to dispose of your own trash. I hope you enjoyed this walking tour, and I encourage you to like this video, write a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.